Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Well, we just covered the AGNC earnings. We will be doing a review shortly of that stock as well. So that was a request from one of our members. We hoped you enjoyed that. All right, it was a little bit confusing though, wasn't it? We had all kinds of technical issues, but we are here, we are up and running, we're on both channels, and we are ready to rock and roll. Now, we've got a big day lined up today, of course. We've got more earnings. We have got Tesla earnings tonight. We've got Enphase earnings tonight. We have the Enphase earnings here with me on this channel. And on the extra channel, we have Tesla. So if you are wanting to watch Tesla tonight, then that will be with Sensei on the extra channel. What is going on this morning? The markets are up, new all-time high, 78,441. Markets are rallying absolutely nuts. Let's go through all our positions and have a look. It's the opening bell. We like to do this in the opening bell. Let's get going. Here we go. What is up? If you've just turned up, smash the like button and subscribe and ring the bell. Let's go through all our positions and see what's moving this morning. Here we go. Virgin Galactic up today, 5.96%. Virgin Galactic, nice. Look at that, 6.25%, 7.25%, 7, 8, 8%. Oh my gosh, look at Virgin Galactic go this morning. 8% swing there this morning. Is it going to continue? Let's have a look. It's a 8.5%. Virgin Galactic going bonkers this morning. Look, 9%, 10%. Virgin Galactic, it's got a major push this morning. Where are we going now? Look at that. 9.5%, 10, going to 10%. Let's go through the rest of the stocks though. Palantir up today, firing off. Gold is down today, but moving up. The S&P is up 0.5%. Very nice indeed. Amazon is up, but pulling back. Apple is down today. Next Era Energy, up she goes. 1%. Enphase Energy, we're reporting on it tonight on the main channel here. Tesla on the other channel, the extra channel. Coca-Cola down but pushing up. Johnson & Johnson flat at the moment. Kenvue going up. Chevron going down today. Tesla is going down. It was up earlier, but it's going down. We report tonight on Tesla on the extra channel. Join us for that. Rivian down today. McDonald's up today but pulling back. Google up 0.3%. Microsoft up 0.5%. Nvidia up 1% today, just trimming back a bit, heading towards that $1,000. Walmart is down at the moment. Tilray is barcoding, a good time to buy, I think. Virgin Galactic now 9%. 9% up at the moment. Huge rally there for Virgin Galactic this morning. Microsoft, Nvidia, Walmart is going down. Tilray, barcoding. Robinhood up 0.2 today. IonQ is up today. Very expensive, but getting better. Got the earnings for that soon. Rocket Lab, Plug Power is up 5.2. Rocket Lab is up 2%. Of course, when Virgin Galactic and Rocket Lab, they both go together. Not always. Plug Power up 5%. Look at that. Rumble gone down today, 4.5%, 0.4. Funware is down 0.8. FFIE is up 0.9. Rio Tinto is down 1.82. Bitcoin is down 0.09. Polygon today is down 0.19. XRP is down 0.66. There we go. What else do you want to look at? Let me go through the channels. Let me just refresh the channels a moment. Make sure we're back on air again. We had a few issues earlier, but we seem to be clean on the boards now. AGNC, we just reported on this one, and we are going down with AGNC today. We don't need that now. We can close that down. There we go. Estimated 57. They beat 58. Very slight beat, but the market don't like it. Down 1.63 this morning. Quite a drop. In fact, we're losing all the gains that we made over the week. There we go. We just covered AGNC this morning in our earnings. There is the recap this morning, the stock race. Welcome everybody to the show. All right, let's zoom out. Let's reposition our chart there. There we go. Let's bring it in. And we're all good to go. All right. How much can we zoom in there? There we go. I think we can zoom in a little bit more. That'll do for me. There you go. Great. Let me bring in all the comments and see what we've got this morning. We've got AMC, Adam M. Good morning, Adam. Become a member of our channel. We'll feature your favorite stock, report on it, do earnings on it, review on it, focus on it, answer all your questions. It's only a couple of bucks to be a member. It's not about how much money I can get. It's about verifying you and helping and serving all our members. That's what it's all about. All right, there's the membership if you wish to become a member. John Granford, good morning. Hi all, Martyn. Can you check my Discord? I'm no longer in the group. Raman, no longer in the group. Raman. So let's have a look. You are a member of our channel, so you are able to be in our service. Patrick G, thank you very much for sending in your image, by the way. Patrick G, thank you for sending that in. I've got a Rogues Gallery coming up. This is Patrick G. Here he is, one of our viewers, one of our members. Thank you, Patrick G, for sending in your mugs. I'm putting together a Rogues Gallery, so I'll be sharing that a lot more soon. Thank you very much indeed for sharing that. So what you need to do then, Raman, is I don't know who you are on Discord. I've got no way of knowing who you are. So what I'd like you to do is put your username, Raman, put your Discord username in the chat here on YouTube so I can go and search for you, find you, and see what's going on. So Raman, if you want to do that, put your username in the chat on YouTube, and I'll be able to find who you are. All right, Craig, reckon there's wars to come, space wars, maybe after a 50. I love this. This is good. Look at this. So you're telling me there's a chance from Craig this morning. Look at this. This has just been sent in this morning. Space Wars, maybe after 51 reverse splits, space to 100. So you're telling me there's a chance. I like that. That's good. Anyway, fantastic. Space is up now 10%, 11%. Look at Virgin Galactic go. Wow, if you bought that 74 cents, you'll be happy. Wow, 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 wow. What are you going to do now? Take the profits? AMC balance sheet is trash. I'll never buy it. No, I wouldn't buy it either. I would never, ever, ever touch a meme stock or anything promoted by Matt Calls or anybody like that. It's all about self-interest, and I've got no interest in that at all. Good morning, USA. Good morning, SMX. Good morning, Jay Long. Let's go, SMX. You're mentioning SMX. What's going on with SMX? We've been covering it a lot. Let's have a look. And yeah, up 8%. It's pulled back a bit. We were as high as 26% on SMX. Wow, look at that. Bit of a rally going on there with SMX. Hoping for the FBI contract to come out soon if they get it. Let's go space. Back to Virgin Galactic again. Virgin Galactic on a good morning all. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Lance Strength. Nice jump on space. It's Raman Wasurge. No, that can't be. That's not your username. That is not your username. Raman, your username is @ and it's one word. It's not got a space in between. So that's not your username. I will try and search for it, but I could end up finding somebody else pretending to be you. Look at your username. That is not your username. No one has a username like that. For example, mine is @Martyn Lucas. Like that. That's what it should look like. Raman. It can't look like that. So I will search for it and see what comes up. But it's not a username. That's just your display name. And even if I search for it without the space, it's not coming up. So no, I can't find you under that name. All right. Just wanted you to know that's not your username. Okay. Try again, and I'll sort it out for you. Fisker, FSRN, new 8K and 10K filings. Yeah, I was looking at that. A lot to read. A lot to read. Take me some time to get through that. Market makers working their action on space today. First, the bulls get wrecked, then the bears get wrecked. It will be back lower in the coming days. Very, very risky. Or 11%, 11.5%. Let me alert everybody then. This is a big day for Virgin Galactic investors. So what I'm going to do now is go into here. And I'm going to duplicate that. And I'm going to go to, let's go a minute to, hang on a minute. People will want to know what's going on here. SPCE, SPCE, show all. Which one looks best? Let me have a quick look. Which one's right? Just bear with me. Virgin Galactic, we've got some movement going on, trying to find out why. Don't really think there's anything better here. Just trimming off at the minute. Where's it going to go next? Okay, let me go back to the beginning. Okay, I'll use this. Download. Save image as SPCE.jpg. Cancel SPCE1. Okay, do that. Let's get over here. Let's drop this in here. Virgin Galactic. Definite SPCE stock. Virgin Galactic pump. Be quick. That's the name of the video. Oops. Don't know how long this is going to last for. How long do you think this will last for? Anybody, any ideas? Okay, let's drop this in here. Change that to there. Space. It's now 13%. 13% now. It's moving quick. Right. Virgin Galactic up 13, 14. It's going really quickly. God, if you bought this at $70, at 70 cents, you'll be happy, won't you? I would have imagined. It's moving fast. I'm letting the Virgin Galactic community know. Let me put it out. 14%. That's a heck of a thing now. but it could drop as quick as a stone though. Let me put this on social media, on X. Post. SPCE. Live now. Whoops, a daisy. Live now. 14%. No sign of slowing down at the moment. Still going. Okay. I'm going to share this link with everybody. Oh, Zach will be thrilled with this, won't he? Absolutely great. SPCE, Virgin Galactic. I would strongly suggest that you set stop trail orders. I would do that, wouldn't you? Like a 5% drop, something like that. Always make money. I mean, don't lose money. There's no reason to now, is there? There we go. Making sure everyone sees this. The whole markets are rallying. My whole portfolio is rallying. So 14.5%, 15%. Flipping heck. It's moving quickly. Right, I've put it out. I've put it on my socials now, so everyone knows what's going on, so no one can miss what's going on. I would hate anyone to miss it. I put it on Threads as well. You can. I would strongly suggest you take your profit. Why would you not? %. This is a global pump though. Look at the overall market. Look at my portfolio. We're hit all-time highs again. Look at this. 78. Whoa. We could eat. Look at this. I could make $80,000. 20 grand away from 100. That's the target this year. 78.6. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? What a turnaround. What a turnaround. Let's read your comments. Let's Go Space. Picked up 60 shares at 70 cents. Oh, John, you must be thrilled to bits, mate. 17% now. It's going and going and going. The S&P keeps going despite space a swing trading stock. I guess we're getting played with. What is the short interest? That's a good question. Let's have a look. SPCE, are we going to get a short squeeze now? Let's have a look. 25.52. 25.52, a huge amount of short interest. If we've got the volume in Virgin Galactic, oh my God, can you imagine? Let me check the most recent SPCE. SPCE, short interest, Virgin Galactic. I'm just checking all my position here. Summary, short interest ranking. Just checking something a minute. What's the short? Bears, revenue, earnings, growth, profitability. I'm just checking some other information before I bring it to you. Ratings. Quant factors, Walls financials, valuation. Options. Checking peers. Total return, valuation growth. I'm just trying to see what is doing this. Let's have a look. Let's go back to Virgin Galactic a moment. Yeah, we're 15, 16% up now. Keep watching this a minute. That's the momentum, profitability, growth, valuation. Capital structure, enterprise value down, earnings announcement date, revenue estimate, May the 8th. So this is just coming into the earnings. Revisions, EPS estimates, annual estimates. I'm just seeing what is going on. Don't want that. Wall Street, no. On that. Can't see any more information why this would be moving. 16, 17%. It's a heck of a rally. Let me see who's watching with me now. It'll dump, radiant smile. Good morning, Martin. Thoughts on Nicola? I'm just focusing on this at the moment, William. I'll come back to that in a minute. William, I have to focus on the members. If you remember, I could jump to it straight away. Must be economy news. Guys, it's garbage. Stay away. Back to $2. Why? Who bought the dip from SMCI yesterday? Raman, I'm still waiting for your username. Give me your username, please, and I will upgrade your account. I've not seen you give me your username yet. You gave me the wrong name. That doesn't... oh, there you go. Raman. No, I've tried that. That is not your username. So, Raman, that is not your... All you got to do is go into your profile and look at your not the display name, the username, okay? You're giving me your display name. You're not on our Discord server. You're not on it. I'm searching by that name, and you are not a member of our channel. You're not on it. I don't know if you've ever joined it. So anyway, here is the Discord link. Go to that Discord link, as I've sent you there. Send me a friend request. As it's explained here, oh my gosh, the portfolio is absolutely flying right now. And then I can upgrade you. But I don't see you. You're not actually on our server at all. All right? You've probably never been upgraded. Anyway, hope not. Space to 100, Ivan. After the reverse split, yeah, everyone start buying. Would be nice if it's short squeezed. Yeah, can you imagine? Let's check the volume right now. Let's check the volume, see what we've got right now. The volume right now is 8 million. 9 million already. So it's half of our average in the first 30 minutes. So it could be a big day. Well, that's what I get for fear selling. Yeah. Good luck to you all. Watch from the sidelines. I doubt if it will last, Seth. Don't worry, I sold 2. Hope it goes down. Wow, Warrior, I have to leave. Good luck, everyone. Raman, hell of a pump today, though. Yeah, Eric is keeping his fingers crossed for a short squeeze like GameStop. GameStop Part 2. Yes, indeed. 18%. Yeah, don't get all excited. Sebastian, what do you think S&P will do this week? I'm still at $3 average. Radiant smile. Thank you. It's back to normal now. Oh, it's back to normal now. Raman, you've still not given me your username. I can't check your account. If you just give me your username, I will check your account and upgrade you. I do not... Oh, there you are. Now I see you. Now you're not a member. That's why, look, you've got no access, Raman. Look, you've got no access. This is why you can't see anything, Raman. Look, there you are. There you are. You're back on the thing, and you've got no role. You've got no role. You've never had a role. Okay? That's why you can't see anything. YouTube member. There you go. Now you can see. Right? YouTube member. There you go. And if you send me a friend request, I will accept it. All right? If you send me a friend request and my username is @Martyn Lucas, right? I will accept your friend request. You can now see, there you go. There's my username. All right? You've never been a member of our channel. You can now see all these channels down the outside. You can send me a friend request and I'll accept it. But to this point, you've never been a member. So you've never been able to see anything anyway. Right. I sold 2. If it goes to 3, I'm pulling my Yankee. It won't last. Our galactic friends are buying. Ha ha. There you go. I cannot confirm or deny that Andy Shovel has bought, but he was going to buy. Well, I don't know exactly how much he was going to buy. He had 500,000 shares before, but anyway, $500,000 worth. It's up 17% today. The overall portfolio is up as well. Virgin Galactic is up. It's great. Really good to see. It's great. I'm just looking for some further information on it. Right, it's now starting to tumble. It was 18%. Stephen Lewandowski. Stephen Lewandowski's just given me some news. Zach Zay is over on the Extra channel, listening like a radio show. Some people do that. They listen on the radio show. John Granville, morning. I see it. Good morning. I think that 200 million shares the last 4 trading days clear the field to take off today. Nothing new. Zach Zay, it's very exciting. Nothing new, he's saying today. $81 a barrel. MT64 buying again. MTDR 175,000 below. $60 swing trading for 5, 10, 15 or higher profit share. Very nice. That's Stephen Lewandowski, our oil man, giving you our oil tips on the Extra channel behind the scenes. Make sure, guys, you tap the like button there. When you come into the Extra channel, make sure you do tap the like button. That'd be really, really helpful. Right, let's go back to the main channel. People are now tuning in, wanting to know what's going on. Virgin Galactic is buying again. That's a very good sign. That's a very good sign. People are buying again at this level now. Wow, you could have owned it at 75. They're now paying 88. It's going up again, 18%. That's very, very healthy. Very healthy stuff indeed. Is Vincent Vosberg here? Vincent Vosberg. Vincent Vosberg is here. You guys still... Vincent Vosberg, did you see your video? Tell me you saw your video. I've just put it out for you. Vincent Vosberg. Look, if we go here on the homepage of the channel, I just put out your video last night. We had all those technical issues, but I got Vuzix out properly for you. In the end, despite all the drama, I managed to get your video out, recorded, properly done in 4K. It is out. There is your video. Vuzix is out. Do you like the thumbnail, by the way? I quite like that. I thought it was quite cool. Anyway, Vuzix. Yes, thanks. You did, Vincent. Vosberg, there you go. Now, should you wish to promote it and no obligation whatsoever, you can do what's called a super thanks. It's not a super chat. It's a super thanks under the video. It's a comment under the video. And if you do that, then it promotes the video because YouTube get a bit of commission out of it. That's how it works. All right. And I will pin it to the top, highlight it, and you can put links and everything else. And very good. Very cool. Thank you, Vincent Vosberg, for requesting that review. Vincent, not me, and it's gone. Virgin Galactic. Whoa! Are we getting a short squeeze? Are we getting a short squeeze on Virgin Galactic? Can you imagine if you bought it at 70 cents? Is this the short squeeze? 20, we've got 23%, 24%. Oh my gosh, we've got 24% interest, short interest. If we get a lot of buying, it's going to create a short squeeze. Whoa. 25, 26. It could happen. It's got to go through $1 though before it starts. Oh, that'd be great. I'd love it. I'd love to see it happen for all of you, especially Zach, who kept buying, never left it, and it's gone. Roll the dice. Vincent Vosberg. Martin, shame of you. Are you still pump this stock like you did with Fisker? You don't deserve to make any video on YouTube. Nicholas Nyko, what an idiot. What an absolute clown. Who's that idiot just come in there? Shame on you. What an absolute clown. What a silly thing to say. Nicholas, why would you say such a stupid thing? Let's have a look at this. Wow, 24% now. 25%. If that person comes in again, then we'll just... what a silly thing to say. Absolutely silly thing to say. Sorry, I thought you were a troll before, Vincent Raman. Yeah, no, he's not. No, he's a member of our channel. Fear of missing out, FOMO. Yes, thanks. 19%, 20%, 21, 22, 23, 24%. Look at it. This is incredible. Absolutely incredible now. What a turnaround. Wow, I wish I didn't sell, but oh well, can't change it. No, you can't. Don't buy it now. Please, is Zach here? Yes, Zach is on the extra channel. Zach is on the extra channel and he is loving it. Overall markets are up. They are the overall market. You got to remember, guys, got to bring into context the overall markets. Look at my portfolio. I'm hitting all-time highs. 78,600. So the overall markets are up. We got a war sell-off, and now everything's going up, so it pulls the volatile stocks with it. 78,679. So everything's going up at the moment. And you know why? We've got Tesla earnings tonight, and then we've got Enphase tonight. We've got Google tomorrow, Microsoft tomorrow. All the big earners are tomorrow. It's a pump before the dump. It could very well be that. So don't chase the stock. Whatever you do, that would be a really, really bad idea. You should already be in if you want to buy this. 22%. It's still going. Virgin Galactic is still running. Wow, I love it. I love it. This is the pump for space to meet NASDAQ listing requirements. Nothing special. This is the pump for space to meet NASDAQ listing requirements. Nothing special. 23%. Well, we'll see. Let's do 169% today. Liquid AV. Come on. Let's go. It's a risk, but could you wash your losses and try to make your money back on a short squeeze, or are the odds not in favor? I don't think this is going to carry on. Of course, we've got a huge amount of short interest. You shouldn't be buying it now. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. I would not be buying this now. I'd already bought it at 70 cents and enjoying this. I would have a stop trail loss at 5% on it. That will guarantee you now a 15% profit and just trail it up with a 5% stop trail. That's what I would do. That's what I would do. BlackRock, LURN. If you're a member of my channel, I can cover the stock for you. I have to focus on the members right now. I almost sold 8.4. I almost sold. Look at that. I almost sold. What's going with Virgin Galactic? Go, go, go. All green. Look at that. I am, however, very glad I pulled the trigger on IonQ for 80 shares at 750. Do not buy now. If your average is higher, just ride it. Yet, just hold. Just hold. 24%, 24% still running. What is the volume now? The volume, let's check the volume. The volume is now up. The whole market is rallying. This is not a Virgin. There we go. We are nearly at the average volume in the first hour of the day, in the first half an hour of the day. So yeah, we've got huge amounts of volume, but not enough for a short squeeze yet, and the price isn't high enough yet. It has to go through at least $1 and double the amount of volume that we've got. But it is starting to. Let's see it. But remember, folks, the overall markets are pumping. Look, everything is up. So don't get too carried away. Don't buy it. Whatever you do, don't buy it. Look at this. We're up, we're up, we're up. My portfolio is about to hit 79,000. Oh my gosh. Can you imagine if I hit $80,000? I am going to be ecstatic. Absolutely ecstatic. 80% to my goal this year. That would be amazing. Anyway, back to Virgin Galactic. We're now at hang on a minute. We're now at 25%. Oh, it's gaining momentum now. PAC pump 2. Thanks, Radiant. Noted, Martin. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I know it's hard to watch it running away, but don't ever chase it. Don't ever FOMO in, Martin. I hope you. I hope I don't think too much on these keyboard. I hope you don't think too much on these keyboard warriors. They want to try to bring us and your channel down. Just keep in mind your regulars and day and day oneers. Me, know you. Thank you, David Hensley. I appreciate it. I do appreciate it. I have to address every issue, every situation. I don't dodge anything. I answer every question. In a moment, we'll go members only because it's getting too busy in the chat. And this is I want to make sure that I don't miss any of my members' comments. Any question doesn't go unanswered. We know who and what you stand for and what you're trying to do. Trust me, you're so fat are doing so in you're so are doing insanely lot you're are doing an insanely lot better than most. Much appreciated, Martin. Thank you, David. 28%, 29%. This is the beginning of a short squeeze. Liquidity, 27%. Someone into LURN, BlackRock. I have to focus on the members, I'm afraid. In fact, we're going members only. We're going members only because we have to focus on our members now. The ones that support the channel get priority. Members only. Here we go. We're going members only. I have to be able to answer every question. There we go. You cannot comment now unless you are a member. I want to be able to focus on everybody's questions. This is a huge day today for Virgin Galactic investors. I'm so pleased. This could be a short squeeze beginning. What we need. This is okay. What we need now, a little bit of a sell and then go again. Oh, it's going again. 28, 29. Oh, this is the start of a short squeeze. This could be a start of a short squeeze now. If we get over $1 and the volume increases, we're going to get a short squeeze. We've not had a real short squeeze, since GameStop. That would be hilarious, as Eric Kearney came from GameStop. 31%. Oh my God! It's going over $1. It's going over it. All you've got to do now is enjoy the ride. 31% up. If it breaks $1. Psychologically, short squeeze will just be around the corner. I don't know. This is great to watch. I am so happy for Zach and all of you that are still in. 99. Is it going to go 32? Is it going to go above $1? Now remember, they won't need to reverse split. If it goes above $1, then that will show you that manipulation has been in this stock. That's what it will show you. They have the threat of Virgin Galactic going to reverse split, drove the stock down, everyone dumped it, and then now we don't need to reverse split. You don't need to reverse split if you're above $1. There's absolutely no need whatsoever. It's sat right at $1. Is it going to go through $1? If it does, then there's nothing to stop it going to $2. Wow. This is a great day for Virgin Galactic investors. Awful for those of you that sold out, of course. Those of you that shorted the stock, you're not being punished yet, but you're about to. It's so close. I messaged that up. I messed that up, Martin. Didn't mean fat. Meant to say you're doing so much better than everybody else. Was talking. Was using. Oh, I see. I get what you're saying. No, I understand. Thank you, David Hensley, for all your support. Really appreciate you. I really do. Thank you very, very much. Okay, it's healthy if it tops off. If we get a little bit of a sell here, we want to see it sell, take profit here and buy again. This is healthy. We want to see this. We want to see this. Don't have fear yet. All right. It's going again. It's going again. 28%, 29%. Are we going to hit that $1? We do not need to reverse split. Oh my gosh. Are we about to get a short squeeze? Do not FOMO in. I know you want to. Faith. Oh, look, I turned blue. You turned blue. Yes. Stacey Bailey, you have your 1 month badge. Congratulations. Your 1 month badge. Yes, indeed. You are now 1 month old. In the channel. Thank you for being a supporter. Your benefits will increase over time. Once you hit the 2 years, you'll be in the VIP club on X. Martin, do you still hold SPCE? Yes, of course. My wife still holds it, so I'm really excited. I don't hold it here on the main account. I can't manipulate stocks. What my wife holds is separate to me. You know, it's all there. Anyway, cheers to everyone again. Tosh, good morning to you. Sam, space is being manipulated for NASDAQ compliance. This is ignorance and won't hold. Right, it certainly is being manipulated. The fact that they said they wanted to reverse split the stock. Right now, we're getting a big chunk sold. Now what's going to happen? Have you set your stop trail order? I hope you have. Tell me you set your stop trail order. If it drops 5%, take profit and do it again. Do it again if you can. Now then. Now we find out everything. If it sells and it buys again at this level, then we're on for a great day. What's it going to do next? What's it going to do now? If it starts buying at this level, it's healthy. If it goes right back down, it was a manipulation bull trap. Let's see what it does. What's it going to do now? If you traded this, you should have just scalped it out. You should have just done a stop trail order and took your profit. A 5% stop trail order would have protected you. What are you going to do? Don't be FOMO'd into it right now. Talk about being stuck between a rock and a hard place. There was a bit of buying action there then. Cheers to everyone again. FSR down 16%. Morning, Jason Davis. Morning, traders. Painful to watch, Seth. Hope it goes to 10 cents. I don't know why it's spiking. It's being manipulated right now. We had the information about a reverse split when we didn't need to. It got everyone to dump the stock. The stock went all the way down. Everyone got out. Now everyone's got back in. What happens next? What happens next? Let's keep our eye. In fact, let's remind ourselves, people are buying it at this level. It's being bought in at this level now. Now, let's go and remind ourselves. The overall markets are up today because we've got Tesla earnings tonight. We've got Microsoft and Google all coming up tomorrow on the 25th. We're covering all the earnings, okay? Tesla on the extra channel, Enphase Energy on this channel. So basically what we've got a pump in the market because it's coming into earnings season. So everyone's thinking, well, the markets are going up. Let's buy Virgin Galactic. It's a bull trap. Be very, very careful. Unless it breaks from here, it was a trap. Let's see what happens. Blimey. Let's go and check now the SPCE. Let me go and look at the positions. SPCE, the buying action. We've got here. Let's go and have a quick look. Right. Let's have a look at this. Now, remember, this is heavily manipulated. This is level 2 data, which you can get if you've got gold. We've got 10,000 shares being bought at 94 cents. What have we got? Any big orders coming in here? 10,000? No. Nothing really big showing on level 2. Let's look at the extra details. Hang on a minute. Bear with me. Here we go. Let's have a look. Yeah, we're way overbought now on the RSI. Be very, very careful. It's running again. It is being bought at this level, 27%, 27.5%. What comes next? Right. Let's read the comments. I want to make sure everyone gets their voice heard this morning. Jason Davis, good morning, traders. Have I just had a cup of tea turn up? Oh, no. Wow, this is exciting. Many of you are going to make a lot of money now very, very quickly. I don't know why it's spiking. I bought space at 111, but I've just been hanging in and holding on. 95, 95. Well, there it goes. Party over. No, it's not. The party is not over. This is very, very healthy now. People have started to buy in at this level. This is good. You don't want it to go straight up. Watch out for the bull traps. Just did a quick in and out trade on space. Wow, you made some money. Congratulations. Well done, everybody. Set a 5% stop trail order. That's what you need right now. Remember, a stop trail order is not guaranteed, though. That's not guaranteed. Let's go over to here. See what's going on. We're still now RSI way overbought. Let's go and check some more information over here. SPCE. Let's look at where we are. The volume now, we've got 26 today's stats. Average volume 14. Volume today is 17 million, 17.28. Our volume is increasing. Our volume is increasing. The next earnings is in 14 days. We're 27% up. We're moving again. If we look here, you can see the volume now is up 17.2 million. The average is 14, and we're only 45 minutes into the day. This is really, really great. Really, really great. Remember, the last earnings was a beat as well. Our earnings is improving. Remember that. That's important. It's moving very quickly. Let's come back to here and let's watch it. 95, 27% up. SPCE, let me refresh this. 97. Is it going to hold? I'm just messaging a few people. Who's buying it? $94. Still holding. It's going again. Where's it going to go? Cheers, Martin. Thanks, Jane. Virgin Galactic long-term debt is now 62%. I'm sure it wasn't that high before. Wadey. No, that would make perfect sense. I'm messaging as many people as I can to see what's going on. Okay. That's that little bubble noise you can hear. I don't know if you could hear that in the background. Fisker may seek bankruptcy protection in 30 days if unable to meet debt obligations. I'll come on to that in a moment. Tosh, can you send me that? Are you a member of the channel? Yes, you are. Send that into links for YouTube on Discord. See what verification that you have for the Fisker position, and I will bring it into the show. I want to report on that Fisker position. Where are you getting the may seek bankruptcy protection? Where are you getting that information? I want to verify it, check it, and then share it. I am back, the Queen of Self-Braiding. Queen of Self-Braiding, lovely to have you back. How are you? Lovely to have you here. Queen, Jason Davis, up 130% the last. Jason Davis, thank you for that space. This is exciting. Okay. Did you take the 5%? Please tell me you set your stop trail order. It's starting to give up now. Where's it going to go next? We love spicy. We love spicy. Fingers crossed for short squeeze. All on space. All eyes are on space. I know. Are we going to get anything from this today? It's just the beginning. It's not enough yet. It's very, very exciting though. Now then, what we want to do, we want to share this out to the community around the world that Virgin Galactic is moving. You can do this. You can help the stock today. What do? This is what you do. Let's get busy. Under the video, tap the like button. Right, let's get the party going. Let's get some interest on Virgin Galactic. This is what you do. Over here now on the channel. This is the main channel. Here we are. We've got 174 people watching. YouTube will now start suggesting this video out. Right, we've only have 22 likes. Everyone tap like, everyone share. Put this on your social media. Let's get this moving. If that goes over 100 likes, we'll get recommended. We're getting suggested on YouTube. That's because we have 178, over 100. Let's get suggested now as well. Come on, let's get it moving. And click the share button. Get it moving. That Virgin Galactic is moving. Let's crush the short interest. Let's crush the shorters. Come on, let's go. 37. Everyone click share. When you click share, put it on your Facebook, your LinkedIn, your Reddit, wherever you like. Copy it into a message, anywhere you like. Let's get a short squeeze for Virgin Galactic. Come on. We've got some volume now. 37. We need at least 100. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 30. Where is it? 57. We're over halfway. We need at least 100. Let's get it moving. Come on. Don't let this opportunity go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 57 is now at least 60. 65. Yes. 35 to go. We've now got... See how it's going up? It will go up. YouTube will push the video out to more people. More people will see Virgin Galactic. There'll be FOMO. There'll be excitement. We want to see the excitement for this. 181 now. Let's go. 65. Ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's do it. We are now at... We need at least 100. Let's get back. 181 watching now. Where are we? 75. 25 to go. We need to get it moving. Come on. Let's get it. It's starting to be bought again. Virgin Galactic is starting to be bought again. We are now buying in again at this level. We haven't yet started a short squeeze. We've got enough. With the volume is coming in. Come on. It's got to go over $1. Let's get it moving. How many people have liked it now? 75. Click share. Put it on your social media. Tell the world what's going on. Virgin Galactic is having a pump. 81. We only need another 19 to go, and YouTube will recommend and suggest the video. 182. It's going up. Look, there you go. 182. 81. Let's try again in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 81 is now 83. Come on, come on, come on. What's going on? Let's get it moving. Virgin Galactic is now at 93 cents. We've had a 24% push. It's holding at this level. Where do we go now? Come on. Let's see it move. Let's go over to it's starting to come back into the RSI level. Level 2 data. Let's have a look at level 2 data now. We've got, let's have a look. Who's buying? It's very manipulated, remember. This does not always give you a direction of the stock. If we move up, we've got 10,000 coming at 91. Nothing big. What we want to see is 1 million shares being bought. We do not have the volume yet. It's not enough. It's begun, but it's not enough. It's starting to weaken. How many have we got now? We need at least 100. Tell the world what's going on. Let's get the interest for Virgin Galactic. They're not doing it. It relies on us to do it. We are now at 91. Not quite the 100. It's getting better. 185 people watching. We're not quite there. We'll come back to it in a bit and see if we can get that over 100 and get YouTube to share it out. Unfortunately, it's giving up a little bit now. Did you set your stop trail order? I hope you did. I called for everyone to do it. On the way up, I said set a stop trail order at 5%. I please hope that you did take your 5% profit. You can start to wipe out your losses now if you can trade like this. Make sure that you are doing it on your Roth though, your Roth IRA, traditional IRA, or your ISA, so you're trading tax-free. If you're doing it on your brokerage account, remember, you're paying tax, maximum capital gains tax. Martin, I put that Fisker news on protection on stock news. Let me go and have a look in Discord. Thank you very much indeed. Have I got a friend request from Raman? Pending. Raman, incoming friend request. Yes, here he is. I accept your friend request. We are done. Raman, I've accepted your friend request. Yes. Friends, yes, I've just accepted it. Let me just check memberships. I've got a new member just joined. Let me have a look. Member, yes. We should be friends. Profile, mutual friends, yes. All done. There you go. Raman has sent me a message. I'll let you know that you are now in. Soundhound is up 9.8% as well. That's another one of our top stocks. Thank you very much indeed. Now then, Raman, you are all in as a member. It's starting to give up. Now, let me have a look. Someone sent in on stock news. Where is it? The protection. Reuters. Fisker. Bankruptcy. Fisker may seek bankruptcy. Okay, debt. Unable to meet. If unable, okay. May have to file bankruptcy. What is Fisker at the moment? Let me have a look at that. Fisker FSRN, let me have a look. FSRN, let me have a look. I don't want that there. Let's go back over to there. FSR, just bear with me. FSRN. Where's Fisker price today? 4 cents. Virgin Galactic, there you go. It's going down. Still not over though. Have you set your 5%? If you set your 5% trading loss, you would have made 20% today. You'd be out at this point. That's what I suggested everyone do. Everyone makes 20%. No one loses money. Keep doing that. Eventually you'll chisel away all your losses. You bought here, you rode it to here, a 5% stop trail order, you're out. Don't worry about if it goes up again. Keep making profit. Don't worry about it. Wait for the next pullback. Right, people are trying again. They're buying in again. Now then, just let's go Virgin Galactic. I've just got to put this out very quickly. Fisker is down to 4 cents. Let's go over here just for a moment. We'll keep focused on Virgin Galactic, but very quickly, I'm going to put this out because my Fisker viewers will want to know this. I think we're about to hit an all-time high on the account at 78,954. Flipping heck. Look at that. We're nearly at $80,000. In my life, I have never had so much money. Am I about to go to 79,000? 79,000, 1,000. Whoa, that's another all-time high. Another all-time high on my account. Fantastic. $79,000. I've never seen $79,000 in my life. All right, great. Look at my portfolio. Look at that. 79,000. The idea was to get to 100,000 by the end of the year. Anyway, very, very important. Virgin Galactic is being bought again at this level. I need to bring an important announcement to Fisker. It's going down and people want to know why. It's very red. It's very, very red. This is important. So let me do this now. The time is, I'll be right back to Virgin Galactic in a moment. We're just going to do something for Fisker just for a second. If you've just tuned in, we're just going to cover Fisker for a second. 1 hour. This is very, very important news. 1 hour. This is FSR. We'll come back to Virgin Galactic in a second. It's going again. This is good news. But Fisker right now. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Fisker now 3 cents. The danger has increased yet again. We've always said the chance of it going bankrupt is 99%. That doesn't mean to say you can't make profit. Our members who were alerted earlier bought it at 2 cents, sold it at 10 cents, and made a 500% profit. We told you about that first. We all made money on that. That was great. I hope you took that trade. But now we've got some more news. This is being made during a live event for Virgin Galactic, which is preparing for a short squeeze. So it's a very, very brief announcement. The portfolio is hitting all-time highs. But Fisker has some danger. And this is the danger. I need to put this out very, very quickly. I know many of you want to know what's going on. We've just got this news just in. It's only been out just a few moments. Fisker may seek bankruptcy protection in 30 days if unable to meet debt obligations. That's exactly what we saw with Virgin Orbit. It never ends well. It never ends well. However, let me bring the information to you. You might still be able to trade out of the stock. When Virgin Orbit went bust, I made money on the way out. Even though I didn't get all my money back, I did make some money. Just out, Fisker may have to file for bankruptcy protection within 30 days if it does not get adequate relief from its creditors and enough liquidity to meet its current debt obligations. It disclosed in a regulatory filing on Tuesday. The cash-strapped EV startup said it had failed to make an interest payment of about $8.4 million on some notes due in 26 during a 30-day grace period. This is not good at all. The startup has been facing mounting uncertainty after talks with a large automaker for a potential investment collapsed last month. Virgin Galactic is going again. It's moving again, folks, forcing it to look for options including in or out of court restructurings and capital market transactions. Fisker was also delisted by the stock exchange in March as its shares traded at normally low price levels. Fisker said its cash balance reduced to $325.5 million in 23 from $736.5 million in 22. It also disclosed its headcount was about 1,135 employees as of April 19th, down 425 from the end of December. The EV said on Tuesday it plans to further reduce its workforce and streamline operations, including reducing its physical footprint. Okay, well, this does not look good at all for Fisker, I'm afraid. It looks like it is all over. So we'll come back to the price right now. Let's have a quick look at what Fisker is doing. This is the price. We are down to 4 cents today. The opportunity to make money looks like it's come and gone. If you were a member of our channel, you were alerted early and you got in at 2, told everyone to sell at 10. You made a 500% profit. That chiseled it into the losses that you may have made. So there we go. This is breaking news on Virgin Galactic. Sorry, Virgin Galactic is another story. A breaking story here on Fisker. This really is now the last breath, 99% that it's going to go bust. You might think there's an opportunity to trade this, and yes, there will be over the next 30 days. There will be, but we've seen this before countless times. It never ends well. Long term, short term, maybe you can make some money, but I wouldn't enter it again. If you came in at 2, sold at 10, you made your money, you're very, very happy with that, why would you get into it again? Be very, very careful trading it. If you are going to use the profits you made, then fair enough. But you have to make sure that you're doing it on your IRA or your ISA, because if you're paying tax on it, you're going to chisel 20% of your profits away anyway. So be very, very careful. Fisker, click above my head, down below in the description. I'll be back with more live news if there is any more live news. And of course, we're live 12 hours a day on the Extra channel. More content here. The Extra channel is 12 hours a day. We're always on air, bringing you the updates from our members as we get this breaking news. Fisker, it's not looking good. Still opportunity to make money though, but you've got to be in and out quickly as everybody else is doing exactly the same thing. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, back to a very, very, very green day here on the markets. We've got Virgin Galactic. The overall portfolio is up. Virgin Galactic is buying in again. Let's cover this quickly. Why is space booting upwards today? Blood eclipse. We'll come on to it again. Yup, pop goes the weasel. Cheers, Crag. SMX going up. Nice one, James. NIF up 170% in the last 2 days. Bulls get wrecked and then the bears get wrecked and the circle goes on. I made 7.8% profit on space. In and out. Fantastic. That's exactly what we need. I'm going to use that, James, in a video to suggest how people trade. That was a great, great trade for you. Absolutely spot on. Well done. Congratulations to you, SPCE. SPCE. Let's see. Are we going to get the short squeeze? I don't think so now. We're seeing it top out at the same level. It looks like it's all over. For today at least. Right, let me end that. We don't need that. Everyone's on the Extra channel. That's good. That's fantastic. Right, did we get 100 likes on the video so YouTube can recommend the video? 91 likes now. Let's refer 106. Yep, that's why the numbers are going up. 193 during the show. Now then, let me use James's comment here. This is very, very important. So space. FSR SPCE, and the time now is, this will go out later as its own video, 1 hour 7, 1.07. Okay, great. Let's keep our eye on what we're doing. Let's go back to here, Virgin Galactic. Right. Okay, right. Virgin Galactic, breaking news. Did you make money today? If you traded this correctly, you should have made loads of money very, very easily. Let me explain how we did it. As we looked over the numbers, we gave a lot of suggestions how to trade this stock today and what to do with it. And one of my members, particularly here, has just made a nice profit, and I'm going to share it with you. What's happened today? Virgin Galactic, remember, over the last week or so, we've seen unnecessary manipulation. What have we seen? We've seen Virgin Galactic be manipulated to say that we need a reverse split before we actually need a reverse split. What did that do? Well, this man here was sat on the sidelines refusing to buy any shares, so it made no difference to him. But the stock came into land because basically what happened was everybody started to sell out and people got fear. They got fear and they got out of the market. It manipulated correctly. It did everything it was supposed to do. It got everybody hot under the collar and everyone to sell out. So then what happened? When the stock went down to a certain level, it started to buy in. Now, why today? Why did it pop today? Is it good news for Virgin Galactic? Everyone's getting excited running around? No, it has nothing to do with Virgin Galactic, actually. If we look at the overall markets today, everything is up. This is my portfolio hitting all-time highs, as I always doing well here. Nearly 79,000. In fact, we touched $79,000, which is an all-time high for me just a few moments ago, which is great. Why is that happening? Well, it's happening for an obvious reason. Tonight, we've had one of the best companies in the world that is down for many reasons. We've been covering it plentiful, is Tesla. Tesla is down, and we've got earnings tonight. It's a pump before the drop. We've got on the 25th Google and Microsoft. We've got all the mega caps earnings now. So what everyone's doing is they're buying back the drop we had on the breaking of the war. I called it the war drop. Over the weekend, Sunday night and Friday night after hours, I bought the war dip. You remember when we had Iran attack Israel? That's when we had a big drop. I bought that dip. That dip then gave me a 4% dip. It overreacted. As it's turned out, it's not going to be as bad. Iran aren't going to start World War III, like Kevin said. World War III, the United States hasn't ended, like Donald Trump said. Yep, they said that. Donald Trump said within 48 hours, America would cease to exist. That was an official statement from him, from his campaign organization. Incredible. Meet Kevin came on selling life insurance, telling everybody that World War III has started. Absolute bonkers. World War III will never happen. We live in a completely different world than World War II and World War I. So none of that is going to happen. But what it did, it got everyone to sell. It didn't scare me. I didn't sell anything. I, in fact, bought the dip. I bought the dip on the S&P. What that means is the overall market's overreacted. We're now preparing for the earnings season to begin in earnest, which is starting tonight with Tesla. We've already had a few banks return their earnings. So everyone's now buying back in expectation of the earnings. Now, the earnings might not be great. In fact, it won't be. Tesla will be awful, but it doesn't matter. Everyone's buying in before tomorrow. So because everyone's buying in, of course, on Virgin Galactic, in the main market, everyone's getting FOMO because two reasons. First of all, everyone now believes that the markets are turning bullish, and I'll demonstrate that with this here. Let me share with you the fear index. The fear index was right at the bottom of fear, approaching extreme fear when we had the announcement of the war. And then look, all of a sudden it went from here, right on the edge of here, to here. We're virtually in neutral right now. It's moving very, very quickly. So all the markets are rallying. So high risk stocks like Virgin Galactic have an opportunity to manipulate the market. What do I mean by that? What I mean by that is they announced this vote about that we're going to need a reverse split. So everyone dumped the stock. It doesn't need a reverse split at all. All it needs is a flight and some good news. So now we get an oversell. Now we're getting an overbuy. It's a bull. We've gone from a bear trap to a bull trap. Now everyone's overbuying the stock. It's going up again. And all we need to do is get the stock above $1, and then we don't need to reverse split. We don't need to do that. That would be a bad thing for the investor. So all we're doing now is getting the market to overreact. Virgin Galactic put out the bad news at the right time, around the time that we had the announcement of the war, scared everybody out, dumped the stock. Now it's being bought back in again. And now, hopefully, we're going to go over $1, and we've got like a 24-25% short interest. There's a chance we could have a short squeeze, all self-manipulated. Now, that might sound familiar to you. It should do. Eric Kearney came from GameStop. I keep talking about Eric Kearney is excited about short squeezes. Are we going to get this? Eric Kearney, by the way, is investor relations for Virgin Galactic, in case you didn't know. So this whole thing is a manipulation. Absolutely bonkers, absolutely crazy, doesn't make any sense whatsoever. Those of you that bought in at 77 cents or 70 cents, wherever it was down here, I suggested live at 75. I suggested today, when we started the show, set a stop trail order at 5%. There were a few trolls coming in saying all kinds of stuff. Oh, you should be ashamed of yourself, pump and dump. No, I don't own the stock. I can't pump and dump what I don't own. So you're a flipping idiot. So jog on back to your Reddit darkroom and when you're living with your mum with no money. All right, we're doing very well, thank you very much. And one of my members who I suggested do such a thing, James 007, did such a thing. He made 7.8% profit. Now, if he'd done it perfectly, he would have made about 20%. But hey, 7.8% is fine. He got in and got out. If you had the stock at the bottom, like we suggested, and set a stop trail order, then you could have sold it. You'd have bought it here. it pumped to here, a 5% stop trail order and out, and you would have made 20% profit. Not too shabby. Nearly twice what you can earn in the S&P in a year. So that's absolutely fantastic, right? Now then, some of you are going to get FOMO and some of you are buying it again. That's good for the stock. Don't FOMO in, don't chase it. I can't offer more measured, responsible information here. I'm not trying to pump the stock. I'm not in it. So all those Redditors and all those idiots, just disappear back in your little dark room. You can't comment anyway, because we're always members only on this channel, because we want the best information for real investors with real money, with real intelligence, who actually want to do a good thing, not a bad thing. I don't like shorting stocks. I've never shorted a stock. I think it's very, very bad. You're trying to destroy businesses and people's lives. Remember, people get really, really down when they lose their money. You're not helping anybody, you're just being greedy. But ultimately, of course, you'll always lose. Shorters win the battles, but always lose the wars. And I'm only interested in the war, not an in-between battle. I couldn't care less. Anyway, so that's what's going on with Virgin Galactic today. It's up, doing well. I hope you took your profit. Now, of course, there's no major movement on this stock yet until we get an earnings, which we will cover. That's coming up next week. Let me tell you about that. That is on May the 7th. Of course, we'll cover it live after hours on this show, always. We'll also cover the flights as well if we get a flight or any announcement. But a lot of this now will depend on what happens tonight with Tesla. If Tesla beat, which they're not going to, then things could be great. Tomorrow, on the 25th, Google and Microsoft, will they beat? I don't know. We'll find out. We'll cover it live. So there we go. Now, a bit of information for you. If you want to follow all the earnings and keep up to date with all of this, you don't want to miss any of this information. It's important to follow the other earnings because you learn about the sentiment of the stock. Yes, it takes time. Yes, it takes discipline, but that's what you need if you want to be part of, the family and know what's going on and be able to make consistent profits as I do. So this is what's happening. Tonight on this channel, I am covering Enphase Energy earnings. You don't want to miss that. Solar, the biggest and best solar company, I believe. Enphase, 4x stock. At least it was from where I bought it before I sold it and only got any S&P. All right, I'll give you the link for that above my head and down below in the description and over here in a moment. Also, we are covering the Tesla earnings at the same time on the extra channel. That'll be on the extra channel for you, and that'll be above my head, down over here, over here, over here. This is the extra channel. We run 12 hours a day for our members, always members only. We're not interested in bots, scammers, trolls, Redditors, talk rubbish. We're here for investors with money, intelligence, discipline, and structure. That's why we're here to help people make money, not people to lose money and spread false information so a handful of idiots can make a few bucks. We're not interested in that at all. Not interested in that at all. So that's the extra channel. It runs 12 hours a day behind the scenes. Join us there and you'll know what's going on. So there you go, Virgin Galactic. That's the best I can give you right now. I hope you took your profit. My members did. They were alerted of it the moment that this run started. You were in, you took your profit, you've made money. Once again, money can be made from Virgin Galactic. It's easy to make money. I have always found it easy in my life to make money. The hard part is to keep it. We live in a world with opportunity. Opportunity is everywhere. Everyone can be successful. It's easy if you like hard work. I love hard work. I go live 12 hours a day and I'm growing one of the most engaged channels on YouTube. 98% of you are members. We gain 1,000 subscribers a week and we're going to be at 10 million subscribers in 7 years. We're going to be 100,000 subscribers within the next 12 months. We're doubling our rate of growth every month. You can do the same. Everyone can make money. It's easy to be successful. It's easy to make money. The hard part is to keep it. And it's all about emotion, intelligence, discipline, and loving to work hard and help others. If that is your focus, you will always succeed in life and you'll always succeed on the stock market. Click above my head, down below in the description, over here and over here. Virgin Galactic is now going down. I hope you all took your profits. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. Okay, let's go. Virgin Galactic, it's now trimming off, and you've all made money, and that is so good. So good. All right, let's have a look. Let's read the comments. I made 7.8%. Congratulations to you, my friend. Bulls get wrecked. The bears get wrecked. Blood Eclipse, why is space? I answered all those questions. Can we look at NIVF? NIVF for one of my members. Yes, we can. NIVF. If you're a member of my channel, I will look at a stock for you very quickly. 73% today on new Gen IVF. Very nice indeed. Just a quick look for you as promised. There you go, Jason Davis. Everything is up, even the S&P. So it's just a market thing. It is. Me and Craig over the sidelines wanted it to drop back down. Wrap news. Wrap Technology receives NASDAQ notification of non-compliance. Oh dear. Radiant Smart, send that in to me on links for YouTube and I will cover it in a news item. Radiant Smart, is that because they are late on their filing financials? Yes. I know. I talked to Scott Cohen and JD from Wrap. They are fully aware of that. Not sure what's taken them so long. Kind of irritating. Jenny, good morning all. Very annoying on Wrap. So much hype and then nothing. Yes, Seth. Virgin Galactic, rubbish. Boo. Short it. Manipulate. Patrick G. Got in at 70 cents. Out at 99. Nice one, John Granfor. Congratulations to you. Another one of the members who made money. I love it. I absolutely love it. John Granfor. Fantastic to you. Hang on. That's better. Let's give it a full applause. Wrap does not have sales to keep the price of the stock up, so they are probably hoping for something to save them. Manipulators will keep space under $1, so they are forced to do a reverse split. Be careful, everyone. Became a member. Ion P 1000. Ion P 1000 has just become a member of our channel. Welcome to you. Would everybody please welcome Ion P? And I mean welcome. Welcome, everyone. Copy and paste. Let's give our new member. What country are you from? I will speak your language. We have members in 58 countries and 14 languages. So let's welcome. Ion P, not Ion Q, which would have been interesting. Ion P 1000. There we go. Can everybody please welcome you in? Where are you from in the world? What country are you from? What language do you speak? I will address you in your language. Please let me know. There you go. Now then, you get many perks and benefits. Please make sure that you have watched the video, which gives you all the benefits. You can call into the show. I can review a stock for you. I can cover earnings for you. I can make videos for you, polls for you. I can answer your questions on social media. I will answer all your questions when you comment to me on YouTube. I am here to help you. Many perks. You can get access to Discord. You can get all our training from Ed Nevius for free. Yes, on other channels you pay for training. We've got official training, one-on-one in many cases, for free from Ed Nevius. He's paid to learn the skills of trading, scalp trading. We provide that to you for free for our members. All right? And don't forget, here are all the links. You need to send me a friend request on Discord. All the information is in that video. Here are some of those links. First of all, there is the Alpha Spread link where I get all my, where I review all my stocks, and you can get all the information, and my members can get a lifetime discount. Basically, make my membership for free. There's my stock twits. There's my music channel. On Friday night, you can join me live on the show and get a live request. As a silver member, you can also go on the homepage of the YouTube. Look at my portfolio. Look at that. You can also go on the homepage of my YouTube channel, and we can get everyone to subscribe to you. Should you wish to be a member, should you wish that, all you got to do is ask. Okay, here's my Instagram. Here's my Facebook. There's my X account. where I put my trades and information before I make them. My members get things first. My members get the videos first. They get the premieres first. They get information first and all the rest of it. All right? And to get on the Discord, there are the 2 bits of information. There's the link to Discord, and then send me a friend request to the correct name, please. Don't send it to the wrong person. There are people all the time trying to manipulate and pretend to be me. They are not. They come on every day, and we destroy them every day. All right? I love it. It's like shooting fish in a barrel. They come on, they make up a name, and I just ban them every single time. They last about 3 minutes. I love it. Keep on doing it. Right. Okay, back on regular channel. Hi, everyone. Wanting to buy oil. Shame again. Buying again. Matador below 60. There's information from Stephen Lewandowski. The markets are rallying again. It's all about the earnings tomorrow. Virgin Galactic is now giving up. Did you take your profit? Please, please, please tell me, all my members. In fact, I'm going to run a poll. My members, members only. Members only. Members only. Did you make a profit on SPCE? Did you make a profit on SPCE? Yes. No. There you go. Yes or no. Please tell me you made a profit. There was free money on the table. Very, very easy to make it. Tell me you made it, and I will be thrilled to bits. All right. Okay. Wrap Up is profitable. It takes them a couple of bucks to make the device, and they sell it for $1,000. I'm going to buy some Axon soon. How much to get a review by like Thursday? Vincent Vosberg. How much to get a review by Thursday? Right, I've got to do another review now. This is for Jose Quintana. Is Jose Quintana... So basically, this is the deal. This is the deal. If you are a member of our channel, you can have a review for free. It's free to have a review. However, at the moment, there are too many paid reviews. There are too many on the free list. So I'm not taking any more on the free list. The free list just very rarely gets touched these days because I've got too many people that super chat me because they want to jump the list. We've got 6 to do at the moment on the paid list. 6 to do on the paid list. The highest paid one is $20. So this is how it works. You can have a free review. It's a thing I do for my members for free. It's my gift. However, at the moment, the list is too long, so I can't add any more. I've got people waiting too long. So you can super chat to get your review done. You can super chat to get your review done. If you want to go to the top of the list and be done in a moment, I'm going to do Jose Quintana's review in a moment. He has bid $20. So if you bid 21, I will do yours first and then Jose Quintana's right after. Okay? That's how that works. If you bid below $20, anything below $20 and above 5, you will be second after Jose Quintana. We also have now a new feature we added the other day because one of my members did it. They wanted to do it. They said, if I give you $100 super chat, will you do my review immediately? Whatever you're doing, you stop it and do my review. And yes, yes, I do. So if you do a super chat, of $100 at any time, whatever's going on, I will stop what I'm doing immediately and do your review immediately, and it will be an extended review as well. So you always have that ability if you want to stop the show, have your review done immediately, extended with extra information. That's $100. If, however, you want a free one, you can have a free one. You just have to wait until the list becomes available. Okay. or you can super chat, whatever you like to go on the list. If you want to go top today, it's $21. If you want to go second, it's anything above $5. There is the answer. Right, so then, here we go. Wide point, but not today. Tomorrow is okay. Vincent Vosberg. What is a wide point? Okay, that goes second. This is W, Y, and it's wide point.
Vincent Vosberg donated $10 through a super chat. Wide point Y, but not today. Tomorrow, okay.
Vincent Vosberg, okay, and we'll put that down there. $10, okay. There you go. Right, Virgin Galactic, the story is over. The story is over for Virgin Galactic. Clearly, the story is over. It's being sold once again. No surprise there at all. Let's see how many people we've got in the extra channel. Let's see how many people we've got still. It's going down now because the stock is going down. 135 watching us over there on the extra channel on the 22,365. The channel is growing extremely quickly at the moment. 1,000 subscribers a week, which is amazing. We're doubling our rate of growth every month, and 98% of our live viewers are members. Higher than Mr. Beast, higher than any channel in the world. Very, very proud of that. Good morning, good morning. Hey, Martin. Why would a company like RTX beat earnings by a lot but drop in price? Rallo 1, because of guidance. You can beat an earnings, but the guidance is rubbish, or it's lower than. Remember, if it's lower than the price dictates where the share price is. Remember, the share price ultimately has to reset to the earnings. If you've got, that's why Tesla has been coming down over and over again. That's why Tesla now is crashing down, because at the end of the day, it's like a sandcastle. Eventually, the water will wash it away. All right. You can see how how the stock has dropped over the last year, down 22% this year. It's awful. Look at it. Crashing down. Oh, sorry, I'm on the wrong stock. I beg your pardon. I should be on Tesla. I beg your pardon. Yeah, there you go. Over the last year, down 42%. Look at that. It's absolutely terrible because it got overbought. People overpaid for the stock. They got overcarried away. It's a great company. Elon Musk is a great bloke. Makes great cars. Got a great, work ethic. But no one listens. People are greedy. People are selfish. People overpaid for everything. People did options. People did shorts. People borrowed money on margin. People bought too much of it. Now it's been reset. And exactly what's happening, Rallo 1 with RTX, right? The guidance is probably down and the stock price has to correct and rebalance and come back into balance. It's got carried away. Just because they beat earnings, it's not enough to hold the stock up. Maybe it's not enough of a beat. Maybe the expectations is not as expected. And ultimately, the price has to come down if people pay too much for the stock. It's quite simple, really. It's not rocket science. Take a look at Sin. Sin, that's your request. Vincent Rapp, SMX 1850. You're on what? Vincent Vosberg. Welcome. Thank you, Jenny. Go SMX. Thanks, everybody. I'm from Romania. English is fine. Romania. How cool is that? No. We've got to speak to you in Romanian. Absolutely right. Romanian. Here we go. For you, our guest here. This is Ion P. Right, let me do this now. Romanian. Here we go. Welcome our new guest from Romania. It's wonderful to have you here. Thank you very much for joining us. We are live up to 12 hours a day on this channel and 12 hours a day on the extra channel. We're here to help people, support people. Everybody wins here. And every Friday, we have our music concert And as a silver member, you are very welcome to join us and have your first song request for free. Welcome to the family. It's wonderful to have a new member from Romania.
Bine ați venit, noul nostru invitat Ion Pomie din România. Este minunat să vă oferim aici. Vă mulțumesc foarte mult pentru că ne-ați alăturat. Trăim până la 12 ore pe zi pe acest canal și 12 ore pe zi pe canalul suplimentar. Suntem aici pentru a ajuta oamenii să sprijine oamenii. Toată lumea câștigă aici și în fiecare vineri avem concertul nostru de muzică și, în calitate de membru de argint, sunteți foarte bineveniți să vă alăturați și să aveți prima solicitare a melodiei pentru bun venit în familie. Este minunat să aveți un nou membru din România.
Right, there you go. There's your welcome in Romanian. That's for our new guest who's just arrived. Now, Vincent Vosberg, please send me the links that you'd like to be included in your review. Because I'm making your review today in a few moments' time, if you want me to mention anything specific, Vincent Vosberg, send me links for YouTube, the things that you want mentioned. You've just said there's news out today on your stock. Jose Quintana, the same for you. Jose Quintana, I'm going to end this show now. Send everyone to the extra channel. I'm going to come back straight away afterwards, after I put those videos out, and I'm going to do Jose Quintana, Sinan, C-Y-N, and I'm going to do Wide Point, W-Y-Y, for Vincent Vosberg. If you want things included in that review that you like, which I'm sure you do, send me the links for YouTube, the things that you specifically want me to mention. Of course, you want me to talk about the things that you're interested in, right? So if you send links to YouTube, Vincent Vosberg and Jose Quintana, I will check there in a moment. When I start the review, you've got about half an hour to send it in before I do your reviews. I'm doing 2 reviews back to back. Okay, so we'll end the show. I'm going to put the Fisker news out and I'm going to put the other news out about Virgin Galactic. I'm then going to come back and do your reviews. Okay, so there we go. I will look out for that. Now then, someone has just said they become a member on Discord. Who was it? You've not followed the guidelines, I don't think, because I don't have a friend request. Let me have a look. Who was it? Someone just said to me they've done something on Discord. Who was it? There, that one guy. That one guy. I got Discord, right. Now, the rule, what you have to do, you have to go to Discord, here is Discord, and send me a friend request. It's all explained in the video. I need you to join Discord. I need you to send me a friend request so I know it's you, and give me your username in the chat. You haven't done that. So I don't know who you are. I don't know where you are. I've got no idea. Okay? If you do that, I can add you and upgrade you, and you can see all of the great channels, get the training from Ed Nevius, the scalp trades, and all the extra information. Okay? I don't know who you are. You're called that one guy on YouTube, but I don't know who you are on Discord. I've no way of knowing. I've got no friend request. You've got to follow the steps so I can help you. Here is the how and the why member video. Go and watch this. This will explain further if you've not understood what I've said so far. Okay? There it is. Okay. Now then. Let me prepare this. Just a moment. Edit this. Customize. Send you all now to the extra channel as I put out Virgin Galactic and Fisker news. Then I'm going to come back and do 2 reviews for Vincent Vosberg and Jose Quintana. So send me the links that you want to see in the show, in the review, and I'll put them in there for you. Virgin Galactic is going again. Virgin Galactic is going again. Right. Zach Zate says, I think the space is 100% manipulation with all the scare people selling and someone buying the fear. The company has no news. Probably the figure will be published on earnings. Fear not here, Zach Zate. Right, okay. Now then, I'm going to give everybody the link as well for the extra channel. There you go. There's the extra channel. End the poll. Members only. Did you make a profit on space? 24% of you did. Maybe you wasn't in the stock, but that's great. I'm really glad that 24% of you at least made money on Virgin Galactic. It was free money today. Easy profit. And that was great. Anyway, the fear index is moving up towards neutral. It's becoming a bullish market again. Right. Let's do that now. Let's end the show. Now, I've got to let you know about tonight before I go. On this channel, tonight, you have upcoming live streams. The Enphase Energy Earnings. There it is. Enphase Energy Earnings. After hours tonight. On the extra channel, you have after hours tonight. There it is. You have the Tesla earnings on the extra channel. You can go there now. You can click like. You can click leave a comment for Sensei. He's going to do charts and all the rest of it for you tonight on the main channel. All right, on the extra channel. You don't want to miss any of that, do you? Right, let's come back to here. Out of there. And the market is going again. Lovely. Look at this. It's all being overbought because of what's happening tomorrow. Seth, I just got a question here. Jeffrey Diamond, Eve and the trainer were flying this morning. Eve and the trainer were flying this morning. We did not get that information. That was not available. Jeffrey, I wish you'd let us know. If anyone knows information that I've not noticed or followed, let me know. We could have covered that. I didn't know about that. Sorry for asking twice. Not sure if you saw it. When might this Kawasaki review be? No rush. Just wondering so I can get my links together. Okay, Kawasaki. Where did you rank upon the... Where did you rank? Where did you rank? You are... I would imagine by Thursday, Friday. Thursday, Friday. At the moment, where you rank on the list, you rank fourth after these two are done, which I'm doing in a moment. So, yeah, you've got a couple of days, I would say. All right? So thank you, Seth, for doing that. Apologies, Martin. I slept. I went to sleep. You can't sleep, mate. What's going on? Slept in. I have a reasonable amount. All right, let me go. I've got to get this done. So let me send everyone now to the extra channel. We're going to be back in a minute with the reviews. It's going to get really, really busy. So let me do that right now. Thank you ever so much, everyone, for joining me. What a day to be in the markets. Let me send everyone. Let me do a quick roll the credits. We want to thank those of you that supported the channel this morning. Stars of the show. Shoo-doo-be-doo-woo. Shidoo-be-doo-doo-be-doo-be-doo-woo. Subscribers, Sibel, Gunya, Ryan, Ruben, Rodrigo. Super chats from Vincent Vosberg. Thank you very much indeed. The stars of our show this morning. Some new subscribers, Sybil, Ryan, Ruben, Rodrigo, and a super chat from Vincent Vosberg. The markets are going up again. I'm not going to let this music play out. I really have to go. I want to get these videos out and then back with the reviews. We're going to be here all day today. We've got the Enphase after hours. We've got Tesla earnings on the extra channel. It's going to be a massive, massive day today. Stand by. See you now on the extra channel. Until next time, as always, take care of your money, yourselves, your crypto, and most importantly, take care of each other. Bye-bye for now. Join me live on the extra behind the scenes.